The Swagline 50 sheet 350 MD electric 3-hole punch, 1/4-inch holes, paper punches. Grey hole puncher, 3-hole punch, paper punch. Zip through standard hole punching jobs with this electric hole puncher. Do you dread hole punching and paper punches that don't work? If you require frequent punching or have numerous large volume projects, this electric 3-hole punches provide a reliable solution, punching stacks of sheets with a simple touch of a button. This brand new Swingline electric hole punch is a 3-hole punch, utilizing a jam clearing mechanism, ensuring trouble-free operation to help you finish any hole punching job faster. The Swingline paper punch hole punch has a clear view window on slide out chip tray, means that you can see when it's full. NRTL approved. Metal and plastic. Sheet capacity 50. Operating method electric. Number of holes 3. Hole diameter 1/4-inch. 50 sheet 350 MD electric 3 3-hole punch. Buy now by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you.